Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, has announced that hydrogen-powered vehicles will soon be introduced in Odisha, marking a major step towards cleaner and greener transport in India. Speaking at the Indian Road Congress in Bhubaneswar on Friday, Gadkari revealed that the ministry currently has no shortage of funds, with Rs 15 lakh crore available for road and infrastructure projects. He emphasized that the real challenge now lies not in money, but in efficiently spending these funds. Gadkari credited Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership for the rapid expansion of India's road network, stressing the importance of positive thinking, transparency, and quick decision making to drive national progress. The minister also raised concerns about road safety, noting that 1.8 lakh people lose their lives in road accidents every year. That's around 40 deaths every day, most of them between 18 and 36 years of age. He called for stricter standards in preparing detailed project reports, DPRs, warning that choosing the lowest bidder often leads to poor quality and delays. In a major announcement, Gadkari said that hydrogen-powered vehicles will soon be launched on a pilot basis in several states, including Odisha. He also highlighted how farmers are now producing ethanol and how fuels made from bamboo and crop residues are becoming viable, urging the Odisha government to actively support such sustainable initiatives. Joining the event, Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Majhi announced that the state aims to build 1,000 kilometers of roads by 2029. He added that with strong focus and central support, Odisha's development vision can soon be realized.
हमने सड़क निर्माण में ऐतिहासिक प्रगति की है. Our ministry has secured the highest ever budgetary allocation of rupees 2,87,000 crore. पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं है. हम लोग अगर हमारे रोड को मॉनिटराइज करेंगे तो हमारे पास 15 लाख करोड़ रुपए पड़े हैं. प्रॉब्लम पैसे का नहीं है, रिसोर्सेस का नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम एक्सपेंडिचर का है, खर्चा करने का है. और पैसा खर्चा करना है तो इसके लिए पॉजिटिविटी चाहिए, ट्रांसपेरेंसी चाहिए और फास्ट ट्रैक डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस चाहिए.